Hello, first graders. My name's Amy.
And my name's Susan, and we work for the City of Fishers Parks Department. And today we've partnered with your school to bring you a very special program.
We're going to learn about nature.
And you're first graders, so we call this program
Nature First. Soil is a living system that contains all three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases mixed together. This jar of soil has three solids. It has dirt, organic matter, and microorganisms. This jar has liquid. The liquid would be water. And this jar has the gas. The gas would be air. Soil is a resource. A resource is something that people need and something that people use. Soil is where our plants grow, and plants do two really important things for us.
I need you to help me with this. Put one finger up in the air. The first thing that plants do for us is they provide food for us to eat. Put up finger number 2. The second thing they do for us is make oxygen for us. Think about this for a minute. If we didn't have any plants in the whole entire world, we wouldn't have any oxygen. And if we didn't have any oxygen, we wouldn't be alive. Now, think about this. If we didn't have any soil anywhere on the earth, no soil at all, then there wouldn't be any soil for the plants to grow in. And no soil, no plants, no oxygen, no people. Oh, that means soil is so very important for us. You need it and we use it. It's a resource.
Soil's what we call a natural resource. Hey, that word natural? That sounds like the word nature. And that's why, because we get a natural resource from nature. And a resource is something we use. So natural resource means that it's something from nature that we need.
Can you show me with your fingers how big you think an inch is? This is about an inch. You know what an inch is? It's a small measurement. Did you know that it takes nature almost 200 years to make an inch of soil?
Wow.
That's a very long time to make such a small amount. So, don't you think because it takes such a long time to make a little bit that we need to learn to take better care of our soil? We need it for the plants so the plants can provide food and oxygen. The soil gives plants many of the things that they need. Plants need air. The soil has air as a gas. Plants need water. And the soil has water as the liquid. And plants need vitamins to grow strong and healthy. And it's just like we do. Plants get vitamins from the solids in the soil, like the dirt, the organic matter, and the microorganisms.
Soil recipe. Ingredients. Solid ingredients. 2 cups dirt. 1/4 cup organic matter. 1 teaspoon microorganisms. Liquid ingredients. 1 cup water. Gas ingredients. 1 cup air. Directions. Mix ingredients together in a large bowl. So we know all the ingredients that are in soil. We know the recipe.
Do you think we can make some soil today? Let's go give it a try. Okay, here we go. I have a bowl and a spoon and all the ingredients that we need to make soil. Let's start with the solids. Number 1, dirt. Remember, dirt is rock.
Yep, and I've got some rocks right here. We need 2 cups.
Let's pour them into the bowl.
There's 1 cup. Two cups rock.
Remember, number 2 is organic matter. And organic matter is something that was once alive. So it's pieces of dead plants and animals. How many do we need for that?
Well, I've got some dead leaves here, and we need 1/4 cup organic matter.
Okay.
All right, let's get some out here. Stuff it in. 1/4 cup, add it to the mix.
Got it. Now, number 3 is microorganisms. These are the living creatures that live in the soil, and they work to break down the organic matter. They're too small to see, but we can smell them. I can smell them. How many do we need?
1 teaspoon microorganisms.
Okay. Put it in there. Now, they really have a rich earthy smell. Don't they smell good?
They do.
The next ingredient is liquid, and that is water. So how much do we need?
1 cup water.
Okay, here's my cup.
1 cup. Okay,
go.
1 cup.
And then the gas is the next part, and it is air. You see?
Air is gas.
How much?
1 cup.
Got it. Oh, don't let them go away.
There we go.
Okay, now it's time to mix it up.
Here, let me try.
Does it need more mixing? Does this look right? What are we forgetting? What went wrong? Oh, it doesn't look at all like this.
No, what did we? You know what we
Look
forgot?
at the recipe. Time. Oh, man.
Making soil takes time. Making soil takes time. In fact, it takes 200 years or more to make just 1 inch of soil.
Wow.
Now, show me again with your fingers what 1 inch looks like. It's not very much. And it takes that long for rocks and organic matter to get broken down. Now, sure, weather, earthworms, microorganisms, they help break it down, but it takes time, a lot of time. And that's why it's so important that we take good care of our soil. Boy, it's hot today. I'm gonna take a nice long drink of this water. Oh, that's delicious. Hey, you know what this reminds me of? Did you know that soil actually helps clean our water?
Really?
That's another really important fact that you need to know about soil. And in fact, I've got an experiment that I think we should try to show how that soil cleans our water. I have a funnel right here. And in this funnel, I've put some dirt in there, some soil. And I have this grape soda here. Now, I'm gonna need you to do something for me.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna need to put on our imagination hats right now. So let's put them on, okay? For this experiment, we are going to have to pretend that this grape soda is not grape soda. What it really is yucky, dirty, polluted water.
Okay, got it.
So I'm gonna pour some of our yucky, dirty, polluted water into this clear jar. We're gonna take this grape soda, I mean this yucky, dirty, polluted water, and we're gonna pour it in our soil, and then we're gonna watch and see how it comes out after it's traveled through the soil.
The grape water is going to start soaking down really fast, and it will come out into the glass cup below. So watch right here and see if it's going to come out dark purple, or maybe, just maybe, the soil will clean it for us.
Wow, this is how it started, and this is how it ended up. It's just a little bit darker than my water bottle. It's like magic. But you know what? It's way better than magic. It's science. And I think scientists have one of the coolest jobs in the world. They get to explore and discover new things like how the soil helps clean our water. What happened when we poured the purple soda, the yucky pollution, into the soil was that the soil trapped all the purple part and let the clearer part go on through. And that's what happens to the water that we drink with, that we bathe with, that we cook with. It travels through the soil, hundreds and hundreds of feet through the soil, and gets clean so that we can use it and have clean water. As it soaks down through the soil, it filters it or cleans it. It takes out all the pollution. So that's another very important reason why we need to take good care of our soil. It provides us with clean, safe water. Let's review what we've shared with you today. Soil is a natural resource. A natural resource is something that we need and use from nature. Soil is a natural resource. Nature makes it. We can't make soil. It takes at least 200 years for nature to make just 1 inch of soil.
And plants need the soil to grow. Plants give us food and provide oxygen that we need to breathe. If we don't have soil, we won't have plants. No plants means no food, no oxygen.
We learned that soil can help clean our water. Wetlands like our swamp here at Ritchie Woods help keep our water clean, and we need clean water to drink, to bathe, and cook. Hey, that word cook, that makes me think of food and that makes me hungry. We have a challenge for you today. Think about 3 foods that you really like. Did those foods come from or depend on plants? Can you make a connection between the food you like to eat and plants? Do you think soil is an important resource? Share your thoughts with your teacher, your family, and your class.
We sure have a lot of plants and a lot of healthy soil here at Ritchie Woods. Come check it out with your family sometime soon. See you next time.